All right. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the triangles. Okay, so triangles, and for tomorrow we are going to learn about the triangular prism. Today, triangle. Okay, and when we learn about the triangles, then so whatever we learn in the triangle, we need this in the triangular prism. Okay, so this is the skeletal triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle. I think you have heard this word before also. So triangle for different names are sunikola, name are sunikola, but we need to learn the formula now. Okay, so formula of different triangles. So skeletal triangle is there, equilateral triangle is there, isosceles triangle is there. Okay, right angle triangle is there. Not only this one. So what other triangles are also there. Okay, we are going to learn one by one about the different types of triangle. Area, formula of area is different in different figures. Okay, so त्यो तिमीलाई formula याद भयो भने तिमीलाई यो triangular prism जुन छ this chapter, it is going to be very simple to you all. Okay, so it is going to be very simple. So let us learn one by one. So first of all, the first picture shows the triangular, so scalene triangle. So scalene triangle means if none of the sides are equal. Actually, I have done this dash dash over here, but dash dash the isosceles triangle, beta dash dash. Okay, so by mistakenly I have done this dash dash, but do not do this dashes. Okay, so please write down the formula here. So these are the formula of this one, of this chapter. So just make a triangle. This is A, B, C. You can write down A, B, C anywhere you like. Okay, so you can write down A, B, C, anywhere you can write down A, B, C. Got it? So A, B, C in this way. And area. What is the formula of scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means if none of the sides are equal. Okay, so कुनै पनि sides equal छैन रे. A, B, C दिएको छ, sides A, B, C दिएको छ, तर side A, B, C कुनै पनि equal छैन. One is 3 centimeter, next one is 4 centimeter, next one is 5 centimeter. In this way, if none of the sides are equal, then that is called the scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means equilateral. Equi means equal. Lateral means line. If all the lines are equal, then that is called the equilateral triangle. So you can see in number 2, if all the sides are equal, then that is called the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. You can see A over here because all sides are equal. That's why we write down A to all the alphabets over here. And whatever the isosceles triangle, iso means 2. Iso, right? Iso means 2. So if only 2 sides are equal, then that is called isosceles triangle. Means if only 2 sides are equal, then that is called the isosceles triangle. So other next pictures are also there. I'll show you later on. So first of all, let us deal with these 3 figures. So scalene triangle formula kya hota? Okay, so you can, last time also I think we have done this formula, right? So root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So just write on S. Okay, so root under S, bracket ma A sanga minus गर्ने, B sanga minus गर्ने, C sanga minus गर्ने, S line. Okay, so this is going to be a formula. Root under S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is going to be our formula. But so here is given just A, B, C. Where is S? Okay, so S is not available over here. So S is not available. So S ka formula पनि चाहियो नि त. So S means it is semi-perimeter. Okay, so S means semi-perimeter. And what is the formula of S? So semi-perimeter ka formula S भने के हो त भन्दाखेरि it is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Whatever values are there, suppose 5 theory, 4 theory, 3 theory. The value of A is 5. This side 4 centimeter, this side 3 centimeter. The value of S is going to be 5 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 2. That means A plus B plus C divided by 2. And whatever value is there, you are going to subtract this one. Okay, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, this is going to be a formula. Is that okay or not? Okay, next thing is perimeter. So perimeter means, just use one common sense. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum means addition. Okay, addition. Plus गर्ने. So here is A, here is B, here is C. So A plus B plus C. Got it? Okay, so this is the perimeter of a triangle. So scalene triangle formula के S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C root under. Okay, and the value of S will be A plus B plus C divided by 2. So this is going to be a formula. S भने के हो? Semi perimeter. Okay, let us go for the equilateral triangle. So please keep on copying this number. Okay, so skeletal equilateral triangle, please do it in the fair copy, okay, so that you can whenever the school will be reopened, so these copies will be checked by the teachers, okay, and you will get the marks for this one also, okay. So notice so 10 marks will be given in the first terminal or second terminal, whatever terminal will be there, so it will be given marks according to this one. So work should be submitted to us. So तिमीहरुले गरिसकेको कामलाई गर्ने click गर्ने and send to us. We will check also, as well as we will check in your class also. So do it in the fair copy. This chapters probably it is not going to be repeated again in your class. So be present. Okay. So A, B, C. Okay. So sorry. So equilateral triangle means means all sides are equal. Okay. So A. That means if all sides are equal, that means all values will also be same. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4, 4, 4. If all the sides are equal, then that is called the equilateral triangle. We have learned this one in class 9 also, isn't it? Class 8 also we have learned. Now, so what is the formula for equilateral triangle? So area of equilateral triangle will be root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 by 4 a square. Now, root 3 by 4 a square will be the formula of equilateral triangle. Let us go to the perimeter. So in case of perimeter, all the sides are equal. So perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides a plus a plus a. There is no b, there is no c. That's why a plus a plus a. So if we add 3 a's, then that is going to be 3a. A plus a plus a, it is going to be 3a. This is going to be the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Okay. So perimeter of triangle will be 3a in case of equilateral triangle. In a 3a, so all sides are equal. That is a. So a plus a plus a, it is going to be 3a. Okay. Now let us go to the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means how many sides are equal? Iso means 2. Equi means all. Equi means equal. Lateral means line. If all the lines are equal, then that is we call it equilateral. Iso 2. If 2 sides are equal, then that is called the isosceles triangle. Okay, so here you can see A and A. Okay, 2 sides are equal, and the next side is the base side. Sometimes this and this may be equal. Sometimes this and this may be equal. Your data equal. Okay, whatever there may be the equal lines. Okay, whatever the line may be equal. So just remember which one is equal over here. Suppose 3, 3, 1 is this is the equal side. 3, 3, 1 is that means they are the equal sides. Okay, so this equal sides is represented by A. Equal side is represented by A. Please keep on copying the formula. These are all the formulas over here. So this is represented by A, and the base, the unequal side, so unequal base punch. Okay, they are called the base. Unequal sides are called the base. Equal side A, unequal side B. So A ra A, you equal what A, you unequal side B one. Okay. Now, so what is the formula of area of the isosceles triangle? Okay, suppose by chance if your question is either A, B, so just there will be given 3, 3, 4, so 3, 3, they are equal. Right? So equal sides like A. Okay, so unequal B. Okay, so whenever you are going to use the formula, okay, because in the formula there is B and A. Of B A means equal sides. That means you don't repeat by that is the equal side, and the unequal side is called B. So B by 4 root under 4a square minus b square. This is going to be the formula of isosceles triangle. Okay, B by 4 root under 4a square minus b square. Is that okay? B by 4 root under 4a square minus b square. Eta 4, eta pani 4, b बाट start गर्ने b by 4 root under eta 4 लेख्छ अनि eta 4 लेख्ने अनि एउटा formula याद गर्ने a square minus b square. Oh, that is the formula. Now talking about the perimeter, I told you just before also, perimeter means sum of all sides. 2 sides are going to be equal over here. So a plus b. That means a plus a, it is going to be 2a plus b is going to be the formula of perimeter. Okay, so a, b. That means a plus b, 2a plus b. So all the sides are equal, that means A, 3A. So they are not equal, that means A, B, C, A plus B plus C. Okay, this is going to be the formula of scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is all the form. This is all about the formula. Okay, let us go to the next slide. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. Okay, so here, so let us go to the next next figure. So here, in case of this one, so the name is not given. Okay, I have not written the name for this one. If there's any problem, you can ask me. Okay, so there is no name over here. So just remember, if height is given and the base is given, triangle देखो छ बिचमा होस् यता होस् जतासुकै होस्, if height is given 90 degree वाला कुनै दिएको छ, that is called height. है, here is also 90 degree. है, h भनेर hypotenuse भनेर नझुकिने. Okay, so h means height. Here is height. Okay, if there is height and here is the base, this is the base. If there is height and the base, then what is going to be the formula? The simple formula, whatever you have learned in the previous classes also. Okay, so the formula of this type of figure will be half into base into height. Half into base into height. So कोही कोहीले base यति मात्र लिन्छ, यति मात्र हैन, triangle त पुरै छ, ठुलो छ triangle. That means this is the base. This whole figure is the base. Height जतासुकै होस्. Okay, if there is 90 degree, that is called height. And this one is called the base. Muni kati वटा छ, कति छ. Okay, that is called the base. So half into base into height will be the formula of area of this figure. So perimeter will be A plus B plus C. Okay, A plus B plus C. Just remember, perimeter त्यही नै हो. A plus B plus C नै हो अब. Okay. Now next one is the right angle triangle. Okay, S means height, B means base. So here, so in case of right angle triangle, we have learned hypotenuse, perpendicular, base. 90 ko opposite, what do we call it? The opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. The opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. The slipping one, that is called the base, and the standing one, that is called the perpendicular. Okay, so त्यसलाई perpendicular, hypotenuse, base भने. तर हामीलाई formula कुन चाहिने हो? Half into base into height नै चाहिने हो. Okay, so here what we do, we will do some mistake over here. So let me write something. Okay, so here we will do some mistake over here. Perpendicular equals to height भनेछ हामीले. Okay, so half into base into height भन्छ. यता h देखेकोले गर्दाखेरि h means hypotenuse. अब हामी hypotenuse को भ्यालु लेख्छौं होला कोही कोहीले. Okay, but we should keep in our mind यो जुन फर्मुला छ नि, so this is half into base into hypotenuse हैन, it is height. It is height, not the hypotenuse. It is height. Half into base into height. Okay, whenever you write down the formula, whenever you write down half into b into h लेखे पनि दिमागमा चाहिँ के भन्दै लेख्नु भने half into base into height भनेर लेख्ने, so that you will not be confused. Okay, h means not the hypotenuse, it is the height. Okay, यता hypotenuse को नाम पनि यता h भनेर लेख्छौं हामी, because we need to do some calculation sometime. H square equals to p square plus b square भनेर formula use गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Okay, so that's why h भनेर hypotenuse चलाउँछ होला कोही कोही बेला. So but just set in mind that h means height in the formula. यता h भनेको hypotenuse भए पनि formula मा h भनेको चाहिँ height हो. Height केलाई भन्ने? Perpendicular लाई मान्ने. 90 degree standing कुन छ? 90 degree बाट standing. This is the height. That's why I have written h over here. So perpendicular is called height. Half into base into perpendicular भन्दा नि भयो. Okay, so if you are getting confused, so what you can write down? Half into b into p. Half into b into p. So half into base into perpendicular also you can write down. So perpendicular लाई हामी height भन्छौं. Okay, so half into b into p, bp. So base into height. 90 degree को दुईटा arms कुन हो? 90 degree को. So this is the base arm, this is the perpendicular. We are just using this and this only. यसको भ्यालु दिएको छ भने हाइपोटेन्युसको भ्यालु दिएको छ बेस दिएको छ परपेन्डिकुलर दिएको छैन भने फर्स्ट अफ अल यु नीड टु फाइन्ड आउट द परपेन्डिकुलर बिकज हाइट मीन्स परपेन्डिकुलर वी नीड टु गेट द भ्यालु अफ परपेन्डिकुलर फर्स्ट फर्मुला कुन हो त h p र b वाला फर्मुला h स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टु h square equals to p square plus b square. Half h square equals to p square plus b square. The color is too dark. Okay, too light. So h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, so this is going to be the formula. If any value is not given, h square equals to p square plus b square. I'm like p and b चाहिए. Okay, if hypotenuse is given, we need to get perpendicular. Otherwise, we need to get base. दुईटै चाहिए. P र B चाहिए. H होइन. हामीलाई P र B चाहिए. Okay. So this thing you need to set in your mind. Okay. So hope you have done it. So let us go to the next thing. Okay, the last formula over here. Hope you have copied. So if the perimeter is asked, then your perpendicular bar, your base bar, your h bar, hypotenuse bar. That means so perimeter means sum of all sides. This plus this plus this. Okay, so p plus b plus h, p plus b plus h. That's why I have written p plus b plus h. Okay, otherwise a plus b plus c, whatever you can write down. So that is okay. So you just need to add all these three values. Okay, till I plus. Now the last formula. This is very new formula for you all. Okay, so if the triangle is given, sides are given. Okay, the opposite of A, capital A is called small a. Small a ta khai ke ho bhancha hala. So the opposite of capital A is called small a. The opposite of capital B is called small b. The opposite of capital C is called small c. Whenever you write down the points, you should write with the capital letter. Small letter ma lekhne in like capital letter ma lekhne A, B, C. Okay, so opposite of capital A is called small a. Opposite of capital C is called small c. Opposite of capital B is called small b. Okay, opposite sides are called capital and small. Okay, your sides like small a garne bhane so yo jun points are okay joining points, junction point, this is represented as capital A, B, C. Okay, alphabets. Now, how to write down the formula for this one? So here theta like focus karne, okay, angle like focus karne. So it is present where? It is present in C. It is present in C. So tell like sin C lekhine half into eta last time sin C. Okay, C cha bhane हामीलाई के छैन यता A B C मा के छैन A र B छैन C त छँदै छ. What is not there? A and B is not there. Okay, so if there is C, then what is not there? A and B is not there. Okay, so what will be the formula? Half into A into B into sin C. So otherwise, what we can do? Okay, so what logic we can use? Theta यहाँ दिएको छ. यो theta को दुईटा हात कुन कुन हो त? यो C बाट दुईटा लाइन कहाँ निस्किरहेछ? एउटा यस्तो निस्किरहेछ. Okay, so BC अर्को यो पोइन्ट बाट यसरी लाइन तानिरहेछ तिमीहरुले. This is not the line drawn by C. So यो C को दुईटा हात कता हो त? यता हो, एउटा यता हो. Okay, यो पोइन्ट बाट यता जान्छौ कि त यता जान्छौ. तिमीहरुको स्कुलमा छ अरे कि त माथि बाटो जान्छौ कि त तलतिर बाटो जान्छौ. बिचमा त घर छ. चटपटे दोकान छ तिमीहरुको. Okay, so that's why either you go upward or downward. Okay, so these are the two hands of C. So what are the values? So यो sin C लेख्ने, sin C भनेर लेख्ने. Okay, sin C भनेको angle हो. Okay, and what are the two arms? One is the A, next one is the B. Okay, so half into A into B into sin C. Okay, that will be a formula. So if theta is over here, theta यता हो भने यसको दुईटा आर्म्स कता कता हो? एउटा C हो, एउटा B हो. That means half into B into C into sin theta or the sin A. Okay, A, B, C सबै हुनु पर्यो. A, B, C. There should be all the alphabets over here. So one should be in the capital form. Okay, अनि दुईटा चाहिँ small letter मा हुनु पर्यो. So जुन theta छ, that should be in the capital letter. So theta, where is theta? So capital A. So what are the two alphabets left now? B and C. So half into B into C into sin A. half into B into C into sin A. So you can use your logic here also. So it is given theta over here. So theta kata sata B ma cha ta. Okay, so theta is present in the B. So B ka value ke cha ta. So B ko two arms ke ho ta. So it is A. Next one is C. Okay, so this is A and this is C. So what will be the formula? Half into A into C into sin theta, that is sin B, you can write down. Okay, so half into A into C into sin B. Okay, A, B, C. Eta pani A, B, C tintai cha. Okay, so otherwise you can write down B. Capital B लेखेपछि के छैन त A र C छैन, A र C लेख्दिने त. Okay, so anyway you can do the formula. So let us go to the main topic now. Hope you have completed the formula. Okay, I'll send you this slide. You can do it yourself. Okay, afterwards you can do it. So let me go quickly because I have 8 pages done. Okay, I need to teach 8 pages today. Okay, so find the area. So different figures. I'm figures. So all the figures I have given, I have done the solution of all the 6 figures. Okay, I have given the homework also according to that one. So your thought of figure like solve okay, how to solve this type of figures, how to find out the area of these figures, let us do it. Okay, so first of all, whenever you start it, okay, so you need to identify which type of triangle is that. So 2 sides are equal, 3 sides are equal, or none of the sides are equal, or there is 90 degree, or there is angle. Okay, so so when you see this first figure, so there is no angle, there is no 90 degree. That means you right angle triangle pani haina, you angle wala, you last wala formula agi bharko theta wala त्यो formula pani hoina रहेछ. So either it is skeletal triangle, equilateral triangle, or isosceles triangle. So what is it? Which triangle is it? So all sides are equal, or what is there? 13, 21, and 20 is there. So which triangle is this? Okay, so I should ask the question myself and give the answer myself, or will you on your mic and tell me the answer? What is it? Answer is written at the side. You can pronounce this one. Hey, Bhagwan. Please just speak. Which triangle is it?
Skeletal triangle. Skeletal triangle.
Others? Okay. So this is the skeletal triangle. Class 10, please speak. Eh? Okay, so this is the skeletal triangle. Now what shall we do? So we need to find out ABC. I mean ABC kasari lekhne. The opposite of capital A is called small a. The opposite of capital B is called small b. The opposite of capital C is called small c. Opposite of capital A is called small a. Opposite of capital B is called small b. And opposite of capital C is called small c. So what is the formula? So the formula is root under s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Ho tyo formula garnu paryo. Yo formula use garnu paryo. So here, so A is 20 centimeter. We need ABC. Small a, small b, small c chahekale garda. So we need to get the opposite side. Right? Capital A ko opposite side, it is small a. So A is 20, B is 21, B is 21, and C is 13 centimeter. Okay, so after this, so after getting ABC, so A is 20 centimeter, B is 21, and C is 13 centimeters. So area of triangle you are asked to find out. So area of triangle का formula क्या है? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So you need to get the value of S. S means what? S means semi-perimeter. Okay, sometimes find the semi-perimeter भनेर दिन्छ अनि टोया परेर नबस्ने. Okay, so semi-perimeter means S. S. What is the formula of S? A plus B plus C divided by 2. This is going to be a formula. Okay, so A means how much? A means 20, B means 21, and C means 13. So add it all. So 20 plus 21 plus 13 divided by 2. So add it, divide by 2, it is going to be equal to 27 centimeter. Okay, so you got the value of S. Now let us use the formula of area of triangle. Area of triangle means root under S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So root under S, what is the value of S? S means 27. Bracket, very S, 27 minus A. What is the value of A? A means 20. So bracket B, so S means again 27, okay, S means 27, B is 21 and C is 13. B is 21 and C is 13. Now what shall we do? We need to subtract this number first, okay, because bracket comes first. So 27, bracket means multiply, okay, so bracket means multiply. 27 minus 20 means 7, 27 minus 21 is 6, and 27 minus 13 is 14. So let us multiply this number. Let us multiply this number. So when you multiply this number, it is going to be equal to 15876. 15876. Okay, so when you multiply it, you are going to get this one. So root under, and when you find out the root under of this number, you are going to get 126 square centimeter. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, so what thing you have found is that, so first of all, you need to find out the S, value of S. त्यो भन्दा अगाडि ABC find गर्ने. Opposite of A is called small a, opposite of B is called small b, and opposite of C is called small c. Okay, so that thing you need to find out first. Then after that, you need to find out S, semi-perimeter. Okay, after finding the value of S, then find the value of area of triangle. Area of triangle means S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, so in this way, you need to get the answer of this number. Okay, so shall I love this number? If there is any problem, you can ask. So just 10 minutes is remaining. If there is any problem, please tell me. Done?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, so let me go for the next question. Let me take attendance first. Okay, so attendance is clicked. So your marks, we will give your marks for your attendance also. Eh? So I clicked attendance for today. Okay, let us go to the next number. Okay, so this is the next figure. So you can see 4 sides are equal. That means it is the equilateral triangle. Okay, so all sides are equal means let us consider this as A. A is equal to 4 centimeter. So area of equilateral triangle equals to question mark, because all sides are equal means this is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle का formula के पुन्थ्यो root 3 by 4 A square. So here area of equilateral triangle equals to root 3 by 4 A square. So root 3 by 4 into A means how much? What is the value of A? All sides equal means this all means it is A only. So A means 4 centimeter. So let us write down A means 4 centimeter. 4 square. So root 3 by 4 into 4 square means 16. Okay, so multiply this number. So root 3 divided by 4 into 16 garne. Okay, so you'll get this answer 6.92 square centimeter. You'll get this as answer. Okay, so let me go a little bit quickly because just 7 minutes left now. Okay, so number 3. So two sides are equal. Look at here. So just two sides I have written over here, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeter. Yeah, lekhina. Because these two sides are equal. Okay, this dash means these two sides are equal to each other. So if they are equal to each other, that means this means this denotes that this is also equal to 5 centimeter only. Okay, so your beta side equals hare. Okay, that you need to understand yourself. You need to understand yourself. This is also 5 centimeter. So equal sides like A. Okay, in case of isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, we call it isosceles triangle. So formula ke potyo b by 4 root under 4a square minus b square. I'm like so we need a, we need b. Okay, so a means what? A means the equal sides. Equal side a equals to 5 centimeter, and the base one case of 4 centimeter right? Base is 4 centimeter, b is 4 centimeter, a means equal side is 5 centimeter. Now, so area of isosceles triangle equals to question mark. So here, area of isosceles triangle means b by 4 root under 4a square minus b square. Okay, use the formula now. This is the isosceles triangle. So simple formula is there. Okay, so b means 4. So let us write down 4. 4 by 4 root under 4 means 4 again into a square. A square means 5. 5 square. 5 square minus b. B means how much? 4. 4 square. So 4 into 5 square minus 4 square. So, okay, this is going to be a formula. So the values of this formula, and so 5 square into 4, it is going to be 100, because 5 square means 25. 25 was 100 minus 4 square means 16. So 100 minus 16, it is going to be something 84 or something 84. So root under of 84 will be 9.16 square centimeter. So 4 by 4 means 1. Okay, when you multiply it with 1, you will get the same number. So 9.16 square centimeter will be your answer. Okay, is that okay? Any problem? Please tell me quickly. So just 5 minutes left now. Any problem? Is there any problem? Okay, I guess no problem. That's why you are not speaking. Let me go to the next slide then. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. So just 5 minutes left. Please let us go a little bit quickly. So this is the triangle. So in this triangle, what is given? So one height is given. So height dekho cha bhane dimag ma set garihalne. Height means half into base into height. Okay, if there is height, either this type of height is given, 90 degree dekho cha bhane that is the height. Okay, if there is 90 degree, this is called the height. Perpendicular means the height. Okay, here also you can see the height, 90 degrees, and this is the height. If there is height, just set in your mind, it is half into base into height. Right? Just remember, S means height. Hypotenuse. Okay, so half into base into height. So height means it is 10 centimeter. Okay, height is 10 centimeter. Base is 6 centimeter. Area of triangle equals to question mark. So here, area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So half means half itself, 1 by 2 into. So base is how much? 6, and height is how much? 10. So 60, 6 into 10, 60, 60 divided by 2, it is going to be 30 square centimeter. Okay, now let us go to this figure. So alikati jhukaunu ko लागि तिमीलाई alikati यता के ल्याएछ भन्दाखेरि h is 10 centimeter. Is it height? Look at question number E. Is this height?
No, sir.
What is it?
Hypotenuse.
Okay, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so this is, since this is the hypotenuse, I mean like height sign. Height means perpendicular. Perpendicular is not given. So we need to get the formula. Okay, so we need to use the formula. Next formula. Kuna formula h square equals to p square plus b square. S like 10 lekhau. Okay, p is not, so p is not given. Question mark. Base is 6 centimeter. Okay. Now let us use the formula and get the value of p quickly. So h square equals to p square plus b square. H means 10 square. P means don't know, P square line lekhne, and base means it is 6 square. So eta uti lane ke garne, so you will get the value of perpendicular as 8 centimeter. Just 2 minutes left. Please. So perpendicular is 8 centimeter. Okay, we got the height now. Perpendicular means height. This is the perpendicular. Okay, so height pi amile. Now let us write on the original now. So now height P, that means H lekhan ba number P lekhan ba. Okay, so height means perpendicular. Perpendicular means how much? 8 centimeter. Okay, so perpendicular ayo. Base is how much? Base is 6 centimeter. Let us write down base ka 6 centimeter. Now, so area of triangle ko formula ke po? Height 90 degree hune bitike it is half into base into height. Half into base into height. So half into base is 6. H means not the hypotenuse. I remember again. H ko value like 10 one like that will be the wrong answer. If we are going to use this formula, half into base into height, half into base into height, half into B into H, half into base into height, height means perpendicular. Okay, so height is 8, base is 6, and height is 8. So cross cancel this one, everything, and you'll get 24 square centimeter as your answer. Okay. So let us go a little bit quickly. Hope this is also completed. Okay, so I'll send you the photo. Okay, this is the last question, please. And these are the homeworks. Okay, I'll send you later on. Look at here. So angle ka dekha sa. This is the angle B. Angle B ma cha angle dekha sa. Let us write an angle B is 30 degree. अब यो B को दुईटा साइड को कता कता हो यो स्कुल को बाटो कता कता छ यता र यता छ. That means so opposite of capital C is called small c. Opposite of capital A is called small a. Opposite of capital A is called small a. If you are not understanding, please repeat this video again. I will send you later on. Okay, so त्यो भिडियो फेरि हेरौँ अनि एकला बुझौँ है. So if तिमीले अहिले बुझेन भने. So capital C को value opposite side is called small c. Opposite of capital A is called small a. Opposite of capital B is called small b. हामीलाई B चाहिएन. हामीलाई के चाहियो? So B को हात चाहियो. Okay, so one is C and next is A. So C is 3 centimeter and A is 4 centimeter. So यो B पनि भयो, A पनि भयो, C पनि भयो, A B C सबै छ.